Can't find an important text message on your Android phone? It may be archived instead of deleted. In this guide, I'll show you how to locate hidden conversations and restore them in just a few taps. Open the Google Messages app on your Android phone. If you're not already using Google Messages as your default messaging app, these steps may look different on other messaging apps. Next, tap your profile picture or account icon in the top right corner of the screen. This opens a menu containing several options related to your Messages account and app settings. From the menu, tap Archived. Here you'll see all conversations that have been archived. These chats are hidden from your main message list but are still safely stored on your device unless they have been deleted. Scroll through the archived conversations and locate the message thread you're looking for. If you want to move it back to your main inbox, press and hold the conversation until it's selected. Then tap the Unarchive icon at the top of the screen. The icon looks like a folder with an upward pointing arrow. Once unarchived, the conversation immediately returns to your main messages screen, making it easy to access again. If you still can't find the messages, double-check that you're signed into the correct Google account and that the conversation wasn't permanently deleted. That's it. Your hidden messages are now easy to find and restore whenever needed.